Alright, y'all, so that's Lehigh Gap, what we did yesterday. Got done at the hostel, which was awesome. Probably one of the best hostels I've been at. On the AT now. And I'm really enjoying today. Yesterday. It was great. The hostel was awesome. $20 at Bert's restaurant. Had amazing food. We ate there twice for dinner and breakfast this morning. We're both feeling like junk, but gonna enjoy these amazing views of the Lehigh River and what we gotta go up in a half a mile road walk, but that's what it is. Pretty awesome. I'm loving it. There's Lehigh there, and Palmerton's right around that second mound there. Really, I don't know, kind of big mound, but anyway, woo! There's a gap. Anyway, just enjoying it and gonna see how far we can get today, since we are feeling bad. Trying to not push it too far, considering we have to camel a whole bunch of water and we're not feeling good already. So I don't know, we'll see how far we get, but yeah, I'll see y'all down the trail. One last look at the river. Pretty cool. Alright, y'all, I'll see you. This is where we're camping tonight. This is a little bit of the view we have. It's sprinkling right now. There's only a 10% chance of rain, but of course, you know, it's Mother Nature. She does what she wants. But yeah, there's the view. Got ourselves a tent spot over there. Pretty awesome. But over here, you're not going to be able to see it, but over here, somewhere in that direction, are turkeys. And we've been hearing them call for a couple minutes now. Just doing their call. I couldn't imitate it, but it is just a very distinct call. Anyway, not feeling good. Of course, you know, having a sickness and then being put on antibiotics and then hiking with that, and then the side effects of the antibiotics kicking in is terrible. So that's fun. But other than that, it's super hot. It's like 80 degrees with it gotta be like 90% humidity, so it feels like it's almost 90. Then you're hiking and your body temperature's rising, so outside, you know, to you, you know, you're just drenched and soaking wet. But anyway, who can complain with a view like that? Who said Pennsylvania didn't have views? Well, they're wrong. We walked along a ridge all day yesterday. It was beautiful. But there's some farmland, some other farm stuff down, farming areas around there. Hey, there's a little toad. Oh. I'll say this. Hiking through Pennsylvania, and if you gotta go and there's no privy around, digging a cat hole stinks. There's rocks everywhere. So finding a place is not great. But anyway, besides that, you know, this view is great and I'm enjoying it. So I'm gonna chill for an hour or two and eat and probably get some sleep. Because I'm gonna need it, and I will see y'all tomorrow.